I think NASA is at its best when it has big ideas and bold exploration. That's when the finest comes out of NASA. That's when the finest comes out of America. Their story is made up of the success of this institution that makes this country so proud.
For Orion, success means, first, we bring the crew home. Second, we demonstrate what we know already is a robust spacecraft that's ready for these Artemis missions.
We want to continue to explore, we want to continue to learn, we want to go beyond, we want to go even further. And through the success of this particular mission of Artemis II will help spur us on for the additional exploration and discoveries that are out there for us to find.
Our destiny is always to go and see what's further and what's next.
It's our generation's opportunity to have our own literal moonshot.
When we focus on one thing and we focus on it together, we can achieve anything.
It's the lesson that we can do more together than we can as individuals. It's a new beginning. It's a rebirth of human exploration.
The question is no longer if we're going to return to the moon or reach Mars. It's a matter of when.
It starts with one flight, one crew, Artemis II.
We all have batons, relay race batons, and they are there as a symbol of coming back from Artemis II and handing those batons to Artemis III and saying it's your turn, go. That is what we live for. We are ready.